So, today I will show you how to make a cat like this. Isn't that cute? That is freaking cute. So first, what you do is you take some paper and a pencil. Well, I'm using a color pencil. And you draw a circle like that. And then you make a mushroom ball, and then you make it look like a mushroom like that. And then you put two little U's like that. Oh. And then you put the tail. It can be like that or the other way, but I really don't know the other way. I forgot the other way. And then you draw the ears. Make sure it has the inner ear part. Very important on a cat. Look at that. And then you draw the nose. Like a beak, but not a beak. And then you draw two little lines going like that. And then you draw the eyes like that. And then you do this, put an arrow and say cat, like that. And then you can name your cat. Cat. Okay, I named my cat just like my real cat in real life. I have a cat named Maxwell, and now you can color it. It's already in color, and I'm gonna make one's like Maxwell. He kind of has like that little M part, and he's like stripy. But you don't have to do this. You can just design it how you want. And that's my cat. My cat in real life, Maxwell. That's basically him sitting. Bye. Thanks for watching, and always rise up. Bye.